Let me be brutally honest with you. You can use the best skincare products. You can follow a perfect grooming routine. You can even spend money trying to glow up. But if these 7 daily habits are still part of your life, your face will never truly improve. Not slowly, not secretly, not over time. In fact, these habits are quietly destroying your natural glow every single day, without you even realizing it. That's the dangerous part. Most people don't know they're damaging their face. They think the problem is genetics, or bad skin, or not using the right product. Today, I'm breaking down the 7 habits that keep your face average, tired, and dull. And if you stop them starting today, you will feel a difference in your face within 7 days. Stay till the end because the last habit is the most underrated, and it decides whether you look attractive or just exhausted. Habit 1. Sleeping late and calling it normal. Let's start with the most obvious habit, and the one people love to ignore because it feels normal. Think about this honestly. When does your face look the worst? After late night scrolling, after binge-watching videos you didn't even enjoy, after saying just one more reel and suddenly it's 2 or 3 a.m., after waking up tired, even though you technically slept. That's not random. Nighttime is not free time. Nighttime is repairing time. This is when your body fixes damage. This is when your brain resets. This is when your skin repairs itself. This is when collagen is produced. Collagen is what keeps your face tight, smooth, and alive. The later you sleep, the less repair happens. The less repair happens, the faster damage builds up. And the damage always shows on your face first. Dull skin, dark circles, puffy eyes, a flat, lifeless look that no face wash can fix. That's why even after splashing cold water on your face in the morning, something still feels off. The glow is missing. The sharpness is missing. Your face looks like it hasn't fully woken up. Because it didn't. Your face didn't rest. It only survived. When you sleep 7 to 8 hours properly, your body enters deep recovery mode. Hormones balance. Inflammation drops. Skin cells regenerate. When sleep is bad, collagen production drops. Stress hormones rise. Inflammation stays high. Aged, drained, older than it should. Here's the simple rule most people don't want to hear. Sleep early equals free skincare. No cream, no serum, no routine can replace proper sleep. Habit 2. Touching your face all day. This habit ruins more faces than bad genetics ever could, and almost everyone does it without realizing. You rest your face on your hand while studying. You rub your forehead when you're stressed. You touch pimples without thinking. You keep adjusting your face while scrolling. It feels harmless. It's not. Think about what your hands touch every single day. Your phone, keyboards, door handles. Your hands are covered in bacteria. Every time you touch your face, that bacteria goes straight into your pores. That's how breakouts start. That's how acne stays. That's why skin never fully clears. You can't clean your face once and then contaminate it all day. Simple rule. Only touch your face with clean hands or a clean towel. Nothing else. Less touching equals fewer clogged pores. Fewer clogged pores equals fewer breakouts. Fewer breakouts equals clearer skin. Habit 3. Not drinking enough water. Your face does not glow because of products. It glows because of hydration. When your body is dehydrated, your face shows it immediately. Skin feels tight, looks rough, loses its natural shine, starts looking tired even when you're rested. At that point, no moisturizer can save you. Products work on the surface. Water works from the inside. Water improves blood flow, flushes toxins. Most people say, "My face looks dull," but the real issue is dehydration. They drink coffee, they drink soda, they drink juice, but they don't drink water. Drink water consistently. Not one bottle, not when you remember, not just in the gym. 3 to 4 liters daily. This isn't skincare advice. This is basic biology. Habit 4. Mouth breathing. This habit doesn't just affect your lungs, it affects how your face looks. When you breathe through your mouth, oxygen flow is inefficient. Your face looks puffier. Your jawline weakens over time. Your face holds more tension. Mouth breathing keeps your face in a constant low-energy state. You look swollen. You look tired. You look less sharp. The scary part? Most people don't even know they do it. They mouth breathe while scrolling, while studying, while sleeping. Nose breathing changes everything. Better oxygen flow, better blood circulation, better posture, a tighter, more alert face. It even affects how confident and awake you look. Start paying attention. While studying, while scrolling, while walking, while working out. Close your mouth. Breathe through your nose. Within a week, your face starts looking more awake and tighter. Habit 5. Too much sugar. Sugar tastes good, but for your skin, it's destructive. When you eat sugar daily, soft drinks, sweets, bakery items, sugary coffee, it starts breaking down collagen inside your body. Collagen keeps your skin firm, smooth, and youthful. High sugar intake causes a process that weakens collagen fibers. The result? Loose skin, visible pores, uneven texture, an aged look, even at a young age. Sugar also messes with hormones. Oil production increases, inflammation rises. That's why skin looks oily and dull at the same time. If you want real improvement, reduce processed sugar, cut soft drinks, cut pastries, cut sugary coffee drinks, replace them with fruits and whole foods. Within 10 to 15 days, most people notice less puffiness, more even skin tone, a lighter, cleaner look. This is one of the fastest visible changes you can make. Habit 6. Overusing skincare products. This is where many people destroy their skin without realizing it. They think, more products equals better skin. Wrong. Your skin has a natural balance. When you overload it with face washes, scrubs, serums, acids, and treatments, you destroy that balance. The result is always one of two things: overly oily skin that never feels clean, or dry, rough skin that looks dull and irritated. Both look bad. Simple routines work best. A gentle face wash, a light moisturizer, consistency. That's it. More products don't mean more care. They mean more confusion, more irritation, and slower healing. Give your skin time to recover. Less is better. Habit 7. Ignoring your overall lifestyle. This is the most underrated habit of all. Your face is a reflection of how you live. Bad sleep shows, poor food shows, no movement shows, high stress shows. You can't hide lifestyle damage forever. You don't need perfection. You need consistency. Move your body regularly. Eat clean most days. Sleep properly. Reduce constant stress. When your lifestyle improves, your face follows automatically. So most people don't have bad skin. They have bad habits. Fix the habits, and your face improves without forcing it. This isn't about products. It's about discipline. And discipline always shows on your face. If you like this video, hit the like button. It helps others find this content, and that helps me too. If you're new here, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.